This is a parking lot on Route 18 in East Brunswick, New Jersey, shortly after the blizzard of 2016. The blizzard of January 25th or so, 2016. And what we see here is all those cool icebergs and mountains that the snow flows have plowed up in order to get the parking lot clear. Route 18. It is a major artery in the East Brunswick area in central New Jersey. And this thoroughfare is lined with shopping centers and parking lots. Here we see mountain ranges on either side of the road. Granted, those little mountain ranges are only about 6 to 10 feet high or so, but they're taller than a person, pretty much. Yeah, no. Here we have a window that's free of traffic. We are driving here down Route 18. It is 4:41 p.m. It is pretty close to rush hour. In fact, some people may say that it is during rush hour, but I would reckon that the height of rush hour may be 30 minutes from now. Continuing along, note how the snow here has been plowed up along the side of the road here. Once again, huge mountains and birds, and there was a yellow light, so I'm trying to be quick here. We were here yesterday, that is my family and I. We were celebrating my dad's birthday, and I was pretty impressed by the snowflow mountains all over the place. East Mountain is a little Matterhorn, one can say, and they do not have the grace of Mount Fuji. They might have the air of Mount Rainier, and some have the appearance of mountain ranges, but each one certainly could claim to be a little Matterhorn. You can compare this to the pictures of the drifts and the tunnels of the blizzard of 1888. What you're looking at is the fruits of a similar sized storm. You can see how the snow occupies some of the parking spaces around here. The sun is setting. Trying to recall how I got into here. Wait a second. Now we have to wait for traffic. Route 18 was developed largely in the 1960s. And some parts may go back to the 50s, and there are some older areas which are, of course, along the roadside. But there was a great suburban boom here back in the 1950s and the 1960s. And they were planning with automobiles in mind, and what you could the sort of shopping center and parking lot format that resulted. And this is what led to the condition that, of course, the snow and iceberg to be built up. Sometimes one flounders around for want of a better term, and sometimes one is left speechless. Neither should be the case here. Some of the new snowbirds are very dirty, as you might be able to see here on the side of the road. The snow itself, in some drifts it is knee-high, some drifts might be even higher, and there were some areas that were practical snow-free during the blizzard itself, because the wind was blowing the snow all over the place. The wind blew the snow into dune drifts, various whirligigs, come what may. It was the hand of man that shaped them into the birds and the mountains that you see along the road. Now, I have a fancy that maybe one day some landscaper will have an aha moment and escape the mountain, put the land up in the mountain, and invite people to look at the scenery unfolding around them, many of the mountains and lakes and ponds. You could perhaps credit the Japanese for this idea, but the idea also comes from all the little mountains of sand, and developers like to leave lying around when they're building stuff. Here we enter Spotswood. Well, Spotswood will be gotten to in a few minutes. We're still in Brunswick. I need a drag to rescue. Now, I have never used that door because I have never owned a cat or dog. My brother owns dogs. Well, my brother's wife owns dogs, which amounts to my brother owning dogs too. Built by association. Anyhow, what we have here are lanes that are plowed. Some parts of the road are 1.5 lanes, but wide, unlike the one on the left. However, this particular lane, as you can see, I think they have just about 2 lanes. Well, maybe 1 3/4. The snow here is up to about the height of the mirror in some cases, so I need to be careful. Here's where snow extends into half the lane. Some cities have not really plowed the whole width of the road. Snow needs to go somewhere. When you're talking 2 feet of snow, you're going to have to pile up even higher than that. Then we have the snow tunnels up the blizzard of 88. We have the great big snow piles of 2006, or was it 2005? And here we have the same thing in 2015. I'm not forgetting 1947. In 47 you have all sorts of snow drift right on top of streamlined cars. And by streamlined, I mean in the 40 sense, you know, teardrops and dot go and all that. It's a wonderful scene around here. And the glories of the sunset. Well, some sunsets are prettier than others, and I admit that no sunset is as beautiful as the ones you see in the tropics. But there are some rather nice northern sunsets, and of course there's those long days where that night there is the light. Red in the morning, still is morning. Red at night, still is the light. I'm not sure if there's anything more to that song left on. Continuing along, this is the Aaron Center. A few doctors have their offices over here. It's also piled up high with icebergs, well, snow piles, snowbirds, for whatever you want birds. At least they aren't goldbergs. I'd rather look at the Benowitches. Well, of course, they happen to be my family. And no offense is intended to any Goldbergs who happen to be listening. Also, if any smart aleck anti-Semitic fools want to make some stupid commentary about Goldberg things, be my guest, but you're likely to get ridiculed. There's supposed to be a sidewalk under the snow pile. They never closed this particular sidewalk off to the right here. I guess plowmen intend to favor cars. Here you have little snow piles, not as big as the mountains of Route 18. And to each property owner and their own way, huh? We are stuck here waiting for a traffic light to change. The traffic during rush hour tends to back up. Maybe up to 1 or 2 light lengths long. We have the cross traffic going in either direction here. And there is a big shop right off to the left here. Not as, probably not as big as the one in East Brunswick, but it's big enough to serve as a general food store. We have just crossed the Old Days Road. Blizzards like the one recently occurred are relatively rare, but they seem to have been getting more common in recent years. One major cause of this might be climate change, and scientists have noted that climate change occurs because people have pumped carbon dioxide into the air. Heck, I'm doing the same thing at the moment because I'm driving around. This car runs on gasoline, It also happens to result in some carbon being emitted, which ultimately leads to some carbon dioxide, which contributes to warming in the Arctic and in other parts of the world. Recently, the Senate was not really sure about this and passed a resolution saying that people didn't do this. Well, those are Congress people. They don't really know what they're talking about half the time. This is why you hire experts, ladies and gentlemen, so that you can go right on politicking, go right on slinging mud at your political opponents, and right on doing whatever comes naturally to you, all the while experts are making up recommendations and looking at facts in order to make sure their recommendations are in accordance with evidence. And now, well, they should base their stuff on evidence anyway. If you don't base your finding on evidence, then you're going to sound awfully silly. Anyhow, what happened with this climate change happened to tilt the jet stream. The jet stream has been pushed into a bigger curve. Now what happens is that the Arctic Circle is warmer. When it is cold, the air contrasts more with the tropical air that happens to be blowing down in the middle of the planet. Now, this jet stream is strong because of those contrasts. When the world warms up a little bit, the Arctic warms up more than the equatorial areas. The upside is that the jet stream is weaker, which translates to not being as straight as it used to be, which translates into such things as polar vortices and regional warm-up coming and going in succession. And this often translates into just storms and blizzards. Hence, you see large piles of snow being dumped here a bit more often than they used to. There used to be the Great Blizzard of 1888. This year did not quite meet its match until 1947. And then we had record blizzards in recent years. There was 2006, 2016 is a near record, 2017 is a record in Baltimore, and it was one of the biggest in Washington, not the biggest, but one of the biggest. And it was almost the biggest in the Big Apple, but it required a tenth of an inch more snow. Whatever. Here we see a stretch of the Camden and Amboy. Well, there would be a stretch of the Camden and Amboy if the snow wasn't really higher than that. Over here. We are going to have to make a U-turn because there's a private neighborhood coming up. Clearwater Village is a private community. Only residents, guests, and people on official business are permitted beyond this point. Trespassers will be prosecuted to the fullest extent of the law. Clearwater Village management. see some of us smart Alex do read those signs. Here we go over the TNA tracks again. You can see that those tracks seem to be relatively clear. Trains sometimes run over railroad tracks during snowstorms because they want to make sure that the tracks are kept clear. And when the trains roll over the tracks and blow the snow which gives railroads an advantage over roads in storms. However, it should be kept in mind that transit systems did shut down during the blizzard. When that got shut down, that would be the Washington Metro. New York City shut down the upside part, the part running around in subway tunnels kept running. Except I don't shut down at least the both parts. I don't know about other parts. There were travel bans in New Brunswick, there was a travel ban in the Big Apple, and there might have been a travel ban around here for all I know. But as I had not left the house, I wouldn't know. People were complaining all over the place because of the recent blizzard, and because a large amount of snow, an extraordinarily large amount of snow, requires an extraordinary large time to clean up. Snow plows couldn't get to everybody within a day or two necessarily, and the upside is that people started complaining. It was today that the path between Newark and Hoboken got restored. Well, Newark and Journal Square same thing, and that's the exposed portion of path. Well, Journal Square does have an exposed stretch of track between it and the city, but that's because the place is in an open car. Continuing along, here we have a street plowed and rather walk with Bastion in the wake of the recent blizzard. We have snow that's piled up waist high, perhaps even chest high, more like waist high, and definitely mailbox high in places. We also have someone's Herbie imitation. There's a race car with 53 rollable wagon anyhow. Here we have a typical little road in a suburb in the wake of the storm. Wow! Gotta be careful, we just got my brakes out of Brunswick here. That set us out by the land. Stupid. This area is only a lane wide. There you see a snow shoveling man. We are about to complete our journey. We are in the great township of Monroe, and a little section called Outcourt. It was founded by Bernard McFadden back in 1905. And the part we just saw before the new houses, that was the original section of the neighborhood. This little section here was an outcrop from all the 1950s, I think. So we are about to happen on a part that dates back to around 70 or 80. well, 1979, 1980, that kind of period. But first we have to get through those exceedingly narrow roads. Here we turn on to one of the lanes from the 20th century. Split levels were pretty popular at the time. A 20th century house design, maybe from the 60s to 50s. And they were still making plenty of split levels into the 70s and practically the 80s. And when they started mixing them with ranches and colonials. Here we see one of those sections, and the colonials kept getting built into the 80s and the 90s. Here we see snow piles right up over here. This is River Street. It dates from 1979 to 1980. As you can see it on old charts, after part of the built. If you go onto historic areas, you can see the street not having completely been laid out yet back in 79. The first people moved here and they were often families, and many of them young parents with school children. Some smart outlets posted bumper stickers on some of the lampposts over the years calling for a nuclear freeze. This was a reference to mid-80s politics. Ronald Reagan was big on nukes as a deterrent. Now, some people opposed Ronald Reagan and thus they wound up calling for a freeze or a ban on nuclear weapons. So, here we see a car practically buried in the snow. This latest blizzard, it did not really leave much snow on the roofs of the houses. Snow went blowing right onto the roof, blowing right off the roof and dripping and splashing. Well, we are just about home in some respects. As you can see, those streets are narrow as heck, and I'm about to wrap this video up. So, thank you for this wonderful journey, and best of luck.